Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will address a common issue faced by Windows 10 users: a slow-running system. But worry not, as we have some simple solutions to get your Windows 10 running smoothly again. Let's get started. The first solution is to disable some unnecessary programs at startup. To do this, press Ctrl+Shift+Esc keys together to bring up the Task Manager dialog box. Then, go to the Startup tab. Select the program that you don't use often and click on the Disable button. Remember, you can only disable one program at a time. If the issue persists, let's move on to solution number 2, changing the page file size. Type Performance in the search box at the bottom left of your desktop and click on Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows in the pop-up menu. Next, go to the Advanced tab and click on the Change YPR button. Uncheck the box next to Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Now, highlight the drive on which your Windows 10 is installed. Select Custom Size and change the initial size and maximum size to the recommended size. This recommended size may vary for each system. After making the changes, click on the Set button. Finally, click OK, and restart your PC for the changes to take effect. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the Windows 10 running slow problem. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.